In this video, you'll learn what working capital is, why it's important, how to set it up in Guesty, and how to collect it from the owner. Working capital is the minimum balance kept on hold by a property management company from the owner's income to cover unexpected expenses. It acts as a financial safety net, ensuring funds are available for emergencies without disrupting operations. For instance, if an owner's revenue is $5,000 for a month and the working capital is $1,000, the owner receives $4,000. Let's set up working capital in Guesty. In the top navigation bar, select Operations Mode. Click on Owners and select the owner. Confirm that the owner is assigned to the relevant property. From the Mode selector, go to Accounting and then Business Models. Make sure to have a business model assigned to the property. Now, go back to the Owners page. Select the owner and click the Accounting Information tab. Fill out the minimum working capital field with the agreed amount. Click Save to apply the changes. You'll see two new fields in the Balances table and in the Owner statement: Working capital in contract and working capital on hand. The former shows the agreed amount, and the latter shows the current amount in the working capital subledger. When making an operations-related payment, deduct the amount from the working capital on hand. Always check the owner's ledger for available funds first to keep the working capital intact. Follow these steps to transfer funds. Click on Add Transaction. Choose working capital as the transaction type. This allows you to move funds from the owner working capital account to their owner account for use, or transfer funds from the owner's account to replenish their working capital account. If the working capital is used for expenses, the amount will be deducted from the working capital on hand and will be withheld from the next disbursement. Setting up and managing working capital in Guesty ensures financial stability and smooth operations. Follow these steps to protect your business and maintain good relationships with property owners. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.